A pergola kit adds style and shade to your outdoor space with an open design that lets sunlight filter through, unlike an enclosed gazebo. Modern pergolas offer privacy and functionality with options for side panels, roofing, and shade cloth. Available in various materials, from classic wood to sleek metal, these kits can elevate your outdoor living experience. We've evaluated the best options based on material quality, customization, aesthetics, and ease of assembly, all designed for DIY installation to quickly transform your backyard. At number 5, we have the Purple Leaf Pergola with Retractable Tilted Roof. This model is the best hardtop, providing excellent durability and weather protection. Extend your living space right off your back door with an attachable aluminum pergola kit from Purple Leaf. The outdoor louvered pergola has a tilted polycarbonate hardtop roof made of 6 retractable tiles that you can open and close with a manual crank in different combinations to accommodate the sunlight's shifts throughout the day. The roof can handle up to 176 pounds of snow, and it also has removable drain pipes to help with rainwater flow. The powder-coated aluminum frame resists rot and rust, but you have to anchor the structure to a hard floor, such as a deck or cement patio. The pergola is not designed to be freestanding. Coming in at number 4, we have the Backyard Discovery Ashland Cedar Wood Pergola. This pergola is the best for entertaining, offering a spacious and elegant design perfect for gatherings. Backyard Discovery's spacious pergola provides more than 140 square feet of overhead shade and 75.82 square feet of usable space underneath, loads of room for guests and furniture. For entertaining, this cedar pergola has a built-in 7-foot bar which offers a serving area for drinks and food, while electrical outlets provide a place to plug in a stylish set of string lights, mobile devices, or anything else that will enhance the party. The outlets require users to provide the electrical source to power them. Like most wooden pergolas, the cedar pergola kit comes with pre-cut, pre-drilled, and pre-stained lumber. A durable resin foot helps prevent rot, and concrete anchors help keep the structure in place. In the third spot, it's the Coolaroo Aurora Pergola. This is the best mid-range option, balancing quality and affordability for an excellent outdoor space. Coolaroo's Aurora Pergola fits well in outdoor areas without imposing on the yard or the wallet, transforming a yard or deck into a modern space. Made from a lightweight aluminum frame with a removable polyethylene canopy, this pergola suits both formal and casual settings equally well. Easily remove the weatherproof canopy for more sunlight or for occasional cleaning to keep it looking fresh. With a footprint of 9 feet 10 inches square, this modern pergola kit provides enough space for comfortable outdoor dining, while the assembled 9.10-foot height offers enough headroom to stand comfortably. This pergola kit includes deck fasteners for stability, and the pieces have pre-cut and pre-drilled holes for easy assembly. At number 2, we have the Purple Leaf Outdoor Retractable Pergola with Canopy. This model offers the best bang for the buck, combining functionality and style at a great price. This pergola kit from Purple Leaf boasts a retractable canopy that allows the user to enjoy direct sunlight or shade. The UV-resistant and water-repellent top canvas protects users from the sun and light rain when fully closed. In addition, the locking system keeps the canopy safely in place. Its rust-resistant, powder-coated aluminum frame is sturdy and reliable, and the base plate attaches to a variety of surfaces for additional integrity. Ideal for the pool, hot tub, outdoor dining, and entertainment, this pergola kit is 8 feet high by 14.8 feet long by 10.5 feet deep for plenty of sitting space. Overall, this pergola adds style and ambience to outdoor living. And finally, at number 1, we have the Backyard Discovery 14 by 10 Freestanding Pergola. This is the best overall, providing a beautiful and sturdy structure that enhances any outdoor area. This Backyard Discovery Cedar Pergola is perfect for outdoor lounging and entertaining, offering 63 square feet of space. Its resin feet and concrete anchors provide stability and weather resistance, ensuring the pergola stays secure in wind and rain. Standing at 7 feet 10.75 inches high and measuring 14 feet by 10 feet, it's ideal for adding greenery, hanging lights, and placing outdoor furniture. Assembly is straightforward with the manufacturer's BGLT app, which provides step-by-step guidance. The pergola comes pre-stained, pre-cut, and ready to assemble, complete with a power port and galvanized steel hardware. All you need are the right tools and an extra set of hands for assistance. We hope you found the perfect pergola kit to upgrade your backyard space. Now get building your new shaded spot to host gatherings for years to come. Enjoy outdoor refreshment made for lazy days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more landscaping reviews.